Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to enable or disable the auto folding door mirrors. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not 100% sure if the older models had this option, but I'm pretty sure they did. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. So before I show you how to turn it on, I will just quickly explain what auto folding mirrors option is. So pretty much every time you park and turn off the vehicle and exit the vehicle, the door mirrors will fold by themselves to make sure some other vehicle doesn't hit your vehicle and damages the door mirror. So that's pretty much what it is. Okay, now to access this feature, you want to tap onto the vehicle, then you want to go down here all the way down to mirrors and wipers and auto folding side mirrors. You want to enable it, and that's pretty much it. And if you press the information, when selected, the side view mirrors will automatically fold and unfold here. So that's what it is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.